There was a point that really stuck out to me when you said you saw yourself in the mirror for the first time. What did you see? What was the image you saw?
I didn't see me.
You refer to him as the dude because you refuse to say his name, which I totally get. You stink, the dude said to me one morning. No Sherlock. You'll get to know Michelle. After almost 8 months with no shower, I was pretty gross. My white skin looked brown. I had smudges of dried blood, dirt, and pee all over me. My legs were so hairy that they looked like a man's, and I never got used to the way I smelled. It was so bad sometimes that it made me gag. I looked at myself in the mirror above the sink. I looked hideous. I could not believe it was me. My brown hair was now shoulder length and was standing up in every direction. My eyes were bloodshot from months of constant tears. My face was pale because I hardly ever saw sunlight. Deep purple and yellow bruises on both sides of my face from all the times he had socked me in the head. I started to cry. Is this really happening? Will I spend the rest of my life here? Even though I had been in the house for about 8 months, I still felt like I was trapped in some kind of horror movie, but seeing my bruised face told me just how real all of this was. You said that you were covered throughout your body with bites. What was biting you?
There were bugs
Yeah,
that ate my skin.
yeah, that would just bite and eat away at you when you lay there. You write about Castro telling you wish he had kidnapped other girls, and one of them was a famous little girl, JonBenet Ramsey. What did he say about that?
He said he wished that he got to her first.
That he had gotten to her first. What did you say when he would say things like that to you?
I would tell him, think about your own kids. And would you want somebody to do that to them?
Would you have discussions back and forth?
Yeah. He would ask me, why do I think that? And I would be like, well, think of it if you were in their shoes. How would you feel if somebody took your daughter? Did the same things you're doing to me. You wouldn't like it. And he would just sit there and say, you're stupid. And he'll just punch me right in the face.